No, you know, the maverick is a maverick because we try to look at things and analyze and interpret things differently. We always try to think out of the box. But me, I struggle this evening. Struggling to find something different to think or to say about this video of what appears to be the Calabar High student body in their assembly hall, singing and chanting some not fit for airplay remarks aimed at their arch champs rivals, Kingston College. Obviously, we can't play the audio, but the chanting was loud and clear. KC, a railway school. And the most troubling thing is that some adults, we assume teachers, were in the middle of the chanting. From one angle, we saw the C-bar drum corps providing a drum beat for the chanting. And look, we know that boys will be boys, and coming up with these kind of chants is quite normal. But yo, not in the presence of the adult leadership of the school. This is not in the locker room, or in a classroom, or in a bathroom. This looks like the devotion in the main auditorium with adults around. No, sir. We're hearing now about an apology from Calabar to KC, and that the two schools will have a joint devotion, and the teachers didn't participate in the chanting and blah, blah, blah. Me don't know about that. All we can say right now, this is a problem video for Calabar. And yo, C-bar, a problem school, yo. C-bar, a problem school, yeah. C-bar, a problem school. C-bar, a problem.